Congratulations, you've registered and are about to start an exciting class in financial engineering. This class is also known as Financial Analysis with Excel, where we're going to be doing a lot of casework using Excel and using financial mathematics and financial engineering to basically solve case problems. Now, financial analysis is reviewing the financial results. Financial engineering is crafting a model or an Excel spreadsheet using financial functions or advanced Excel functions and formulas to solve a particular problem. So in this class, it's going to be very important to have a current and up-to-date Excel. So the easiest way to do that is if you go to, if you are taking the class, you are registered as a Stony Brook student, and you should have a net ID and a password. So if you go to the Stony Brook website, you can search under Office 365, and you'll get Division of Information Technology. Now you could also just go to this web address up here, and in this web address it'll have a link here where you could download the Office application. So you don't want to work with Office online because that's a limited Excel. So you want to download the Office application, and so you don't want to work with the portal. You want to go to Download Office, and these will be instructions to download for Office 365 for PC or Mac. So you follow these instructions, which are pretty clear on how to download the application, which is free and part of your student computing fees. Because it's important, once you have established the most current Excel, you'll get a template of Excel that will match my template in most of my videos. I have been, I think most of my videos now are in this template or a similar template. I have been re-recording some videos to make sure that they line up. And this way, you'll be able to get the most latest Excel technology, and you'll be able to more easily follow me. Whether you have a Mac or PC, they'll display the same. And you can do a lot of neat things with Excel that only the newest version has. Okay, so the moral of this video is if you don't have the most current Excel, don't worry. You can get it for free from Stony Brook, and you can download it, the whole Office suite, and you'll have the most current Excel to work with me. And as you've watched my videos or watched the LinkedIn Learning videos or complete the coursework in the textbook for the class, you'll have all the tools you need to be successful. So I highly recommend that you update or your Excel or get Excel for the first time using the free version available through Stony Brook. Thank you for your time, and I hope you find this class enjoyable, because I will be making videos to help you solve all the case study assignments that will be coming up in the class. Watch the Getting Started video for more details on that. Thanks.